wasn't mine to mother, he wasn't mine to rear. Another dream gets washed away, another dream, another mother's
behind.
But you must think of yourself now. It's your life and you belong with the swans.
But why? I don't care whose egg I came out of. You're my mother. You raised me, that's what counts.
Well,
it takes all sorts to make a world. And you said yourself the duckyard would be boring if we all did the same. So I decided to come back with you and be different.